Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I remain Israel Otoijamu. So today I'll be talking about how to stop people from tagging you on Facebook. How to stop people from tagging you on Facebook. Now this is my Facebook account, and what you need to do is you need to click on this icon that has your picture, which leads to your profile. This is my profile, and on your profile, if you are using an app, this is what you do. You need to go to the settings, and from settings you click on profile settings, and from there scroll down. You would see different things about your media and contacts. You'd see your Facebook information, notifications, blocking, active status, face recognition, and all. So now what we need to do now is you need to go to your profile and tagging. After clicking on profile and tagging, you would see some areas where you might need to actually turn the options to only you. For example, viewing and sharing. Who can post on your profile? So in the real sense, why should someone come to my profile and post there? Except maybe you're an old friend and you want to post on my profile to let me know that you exist and you're still alive and all. So the number one thing is you need to go to who can post on your profile. And like you can see who can post on my profile. Is it friends or only me? You change it to only me and save. So you go back. Who can see what others post on your profile? It should be only you. Who can see what others post on your profile? Only me. So I don't want anybody to see what anybody posts on my profile. And that is it. Then allow others to share your post on their stories. It's on. Let them share it on the stories. That's if after they will see it. So tagging. Who can see posts you are tagged in on your profile? So if anybody tags my name or anything, I will be the only one to see it with these settings. You can change it to everyone if you want people to see it. If you are once you are tagged, your friend to see everything, and so if you fall into the hands of this loan shark and they come online to embarrass you and they tag you in their post, automatically everybody will see it. But if you go to only me, you click on only me and you go back. Now when you are tagged in a post, what do you want to add to the others of the post if they can't already see it? Only me. I want it to be only me. Now review tags people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. Yes. So you can be on. I want to review. I want to see what people are talking about me. I want to mention my name. I want to get notification and review the tag. Then 2, review what other people see on your profile. Yes, I want to review what others see on your profile, so you can actually check here. This is what others see on your profile and all. So now review post you are tagged in before the post appear on your profile. I want to review post I'm tagged in before it appears on my profile. If at all, this will only work if you allow them to tag you in posts. So like I said, this video is about how to stop people from tagging you on Facebook. This is the easiest way to enhance your privacy on Facebook. I don't want people to just post stuffs and tag me, especially all these loan sharks and all these people that are good at spoiling people's name. They tag you, and before you know it, everybody will see it, everybody will know about you and everything you did and all. So this is the easiest way to stop them from tagging you on Facebook. Have a great day, and make sure before you leave my channel you subscribe so that you can get more updates and you can get to learn new things about tech, about internet, about finance and lifestyle. Have a great day. Bye.